Welcome to our video on rising damp treatment and how to install a diffusion damp-proof course. In a wall affected by rising damp, dampness is brought up through the walls by capillary movement and will often contain salts that are impregnated into the brickwork and the wall plaster. The first stage of the process is to remove the existing wall plaster. So, carefully protecting the client's floor coverings, we would remove the existing wall plaster back to the bare brickwork and remove any residual salts on the wall surface. The next stage is to install the damp-proof course. At Peter Cox, we use the highest concentration of active ingredient currently on the market in our diffusion cream. Holes are drilled at 120mm centres in the chosen mortar bed joint. Then the applicator gun is inserted into the drill holes, backfilling each of the holes to the surface. Over a 4 to 6 week period, the diffusion cream will spread to create a waterproof barrier against rising damp, and the wall will begin to dry out. The next stage of the process is to replaster the walls. We do this using a special type of salt retardant wall plaster that's applied onto the surface of the brickwork, and then a skim plaster is applied on top of that. After the drying out period, the wall can be redecorated.